Hi friends, finding fourth power of a two-digit number can be very exhausting. Today we learn a method by which you can solve it in just seconds. All you need to know is the formula for a plus b raised to the power 4. We need to find 21 raised to the power 4. Start by making 4 divisions. Now take 2 as A and 1 as B. In the first column, put a raised to the power 4, that means 2 raised to the power 4. Next, 4a cube b, 2 cube into 1, 6a square b square, 4 into a into b cube, and b raised to the power 4. Solve for individual values. 16, 4 into 8, 6 into 4, 4 into 2, and 1. Now starting from right to left, take values in each columns down. Start with 1, then 8. If any column has 2 or more digits, write the unit digit 4 and carry forward remaining digit to the left. So 32 plus 2 becomes 34. Take the unit digit 4, carry forward 3 to the left. 16 plus 3, write 19. And you get the required result 194481. That's all for today. I hope to see you in our next session.